Kevin Clark, President Clark, would like to say a few words.
Thank you, Manager Stingy. Thank everyone for coming out. This is an amazing event. This goes to show how T-Bird is one of the, no, actually the best municipality here in New Jersey because we are proud, we are strong, and it's a Christmas season. So have a happy holiday. Merry
We had so many toys brought, they are unloading them by the truckload.
Cody, please report to the crossing. Cody. Cody.
Truckload 3. West Milford, you rock.